All right, quick video of my E90 M3 Competition and a product called Leatherique. And I have another video on my coupe. And what you do is you put the goop on, you let it sit like in the sun. It's summertime here, so got close to 100 degrees. You let it sit on the seats all day and bake in, and then you use like a bucket of warm water and wipe it off, and the results are phenomenal. I mean, the seats were in really good condition to start with, and you let it bake in. It kind of pulls the dirt out, softens the leather, and then you just wipe the interior down really well with a bucket of some warm water. And then I used a product called Pristine Clean that they offer, and then I went over it with water again. Actually I cleaned the seats already with a different product, and you could see the Leatherique still pulled out some dirt, not like filthy or anything, but certainly it's just a very unique product, and you can see it like restores the factory matte finish, and pretty pleased with the turnout. I mean, the seats again were in really good condition to start with from the previous owner, so I just took some of this product to be able to make that happen. So factory matte finish, Leatherique. I've used this before in my E90 M3s, and the product works really well on some seats, leather types, manufacturers. I found it works really well on this series of BMWs in particular, and pretty happy. So probably spent maybe an hour total to get that done, and it's not even something I can take anywhere, have anyone do. I don't know any other detailers who will do a Leatherique treatment and let the car sit all day and come back. So I'll put a link in there for the product, and it's pretty easy to be able to do. So good luck if you try it. It's a great product.